Hi guys, welcome to Video Likes, and today I'm going to show you certain workable tweaks and settings that will help mTorrent download faster. So just follow the tutorial and put in the settings. The tweaks discussed here works best for mTorrent versions of 3.3 and above. So if you're using a lower version of mTorrent, please update your version and then apply these settings. Now I've already applied the tweaks, so let me show you the current download speed I'm clocking on mTorrent. Now, the current internet's connectivity speed that I'm using is 1 Mbps. So what I have here on my desktop is the torrent file for the movie called Godzilla. Now, this is a 2014 movie, and I presume it's got a good health. So I'm going to double click and start it up in mTorrent and show you guys the download speed I'm clocking. So what I'm doing is I've just started up this particular torrent file in mTorrent. So you can see that the download speed is steadily rising. It's now 3.7, 3.9. It's very close to 4 Mbps. Now it's gone over 4 Mbps. So you can see that the current download speed I'm clocking here is 4.1 Mbps with a current internet connectivity speed of 1 Mbps, guys. So let me now discuss with you the kind of settings you need to put in. Now first we need to go to something called the options here, and under options you come down to preferences. Now when you go down to preferences, you leave general, UI settings, directories, and you come here down to connection. Now under connection you need to change this particular port. Now you change this port and make it 45682. That is the port used for incoming connections. Now you need to tick enable UPnP port mapping, enable NAT-PMP, add Windows firewall exception. Tick all the three of them and keep the randomized port each start unchecked. After this you go down to bandwidth. Now under bandwidth, maximum upload rate you put it at 70. Then you come down maximum download rate. Now here is the catch. You see here that 0 is for unlimited, but I would always prefer to put a threshold to this particular download limit. This actually enhances the download. So what you guys can do is you can either put 0 here for unlimited, or you can put it a threshold. For me the threshold is 7500. You can put it a little bit higher, but I think this is fine. Now you just check apply rate limit to transport over it, apply rate limit to UTP connections. Then you go down to global maximum number of connections and put this number at 200. Maximum number of connected peers per torrent is 2329, and number of upload slots per torrent you put it at 14, and you check use additional upload slots if upload speed is less than 90%. Now once you are done with this particular tab, you go down to BitTorrent. Now under BitTorrent you need to check all these that are here, and you just keep limit local peer bandwidth unchecked. Then you go down here to protocol encryption. Under protocol encryption you have to change this to forced. It's normally either disabled or enabled. You change this to forced and you check allow incoming legacy connections. Now once you're through with that, now you go down to transfer cap. Transfer cap you don't need to do anything, any changes is not required. You go down to queuing, and under queuing you change maximum number of active torrents, upload or download, you put that at 60. Maximum number of active downloads you put that at 63. Minimum ratio percentage is 150. And the minimum seeding time you put this as 0. Minimum number of available seeds, again you put this as 0. Now keep these two boxes unchecked. Now you leave scheduler, remote, playback, you leave all of them, and you go down here to advanced. Now under advanced there are a lot of changes that you require to do which I need you to follow very carefully. Now first thing is BT allows same IP. Now by default this is selected as false. You have to change this to true. Okay, so how you going to do that? You just select this and you get the values here and you put it through. Okay, now you just come down here to BT Connect speed. Now BT Connect speed, you put the value here, you type the value 28 and you click on set. Now once you click on set, any value that you change, you can see that this is denoted by an asterisk mark right adjacent to that particular value. Now once you're through with that, you just come down further and you change BT progressive span MB and you put this as 1. Now you go down further, you have here as GUI.show no torrents node. Now this by default is selected as true, you just change this to false. Then you go down to GUI update rate, and by default I believe this is selected as 1000. You have to change this and make this value 2000. Now once you're done with that, you go down further and you change this net max half open. Now this guys is a very important step. This actually really boosts up your internet download speed. So you just change this and put this value as 500. Then you go down to net outgoing port and you put this value as 50. Then you go down further and you change peer disconnect inactive interval. Now this you put the value as 125. Then you go down and change RSS update interval and put this as 20. So I believe we are almost through with this. So that's it guys. Once you are through with all these settings, you just need to click on OK and that's it. Now what you need to do is you need to first exit mTorrent. Here you can see that 84.5% of my download is almost through and it's constantly maintaining a speed of 4.1 to 4.2 Mbps. Now what I'm going to do here is, so I'm going to go down here and I'm going to exit mTorrent from here. So once it's done, now I am going to start up mTorrent once again. So hope this tutorial will help you to boost your download speed. Now if you have any query, please put in your comments below and I would be glad to answer them. If you like my videos, do please put in your likes and subscribe to my channel. Catch you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.